BMW M is releasing a special edition celebrating one of its first and most distinctive performance cars. The 2026 M2 Turbo Design Edition combines visual cues from the 1970s with modern technology. The M2 is finished in alpine white with hand-painted BMW motorsport stripes that sweep across the hood and wrap around the trunk lid. An offset stripe runs across the carbon fiber roof, reminiscent of touring car grids, while a bold turbo script spans across the hood's power dome. A tiny carbon spoiler connects the tail. Standard black M-twin spoke wheels fit the theme, but the optional matte gold bronze wheels depicted in BMW's images are the way to go if you want the whole retro feel. Inside, the design continues without feeling costumed. The M2 Turbo graphic appears on the door sills, a Turbo logo sits ahead of the shifter, and the M Sport seats are upholstered in black Vernasca leather with a stylish tricolor accent. If you want to go all in, the optional M carbon buckets provide the same racy posture with trademark details. BMW uses a twin-turbo 3.0-liter inline, 6 rated at 473 horsepower and 406 pound-feet of torque, mated exclusively with a 6-speed manual transmission. The claimed time from 0 to 60 miles per hour is 4.1 seconds. Pricing begins at $84,075, including destination, which is nearly $15,000 more than the base 2025 M2. BMW claims production will be extremely limited, thus scarcity will be part of the pitch. This makes this car more of a collectible you'll want to drive than a value play, and for the right buyer, the livery and manual-only layout will seal the deal.